Hello kids, welcome to Math Tutor. Today we are going to learn about area and perimeter of shapes. What is area? The space that fills up the entire shape. What is a perimeter? It's a boundary that encloses that shape. If you open that length, it makes a straight line. It is nothing but the sum of the sides of that shape. It is called as a perimeter.
From the above, we understand that the perimeter of square equals to sum of all the sides. Here for the square A, B, C and D, perimeter equal to length of side AB plus length of side BC plus length of side CD plus length of side DA. Since we know that the length of all the sides of a square are equal, we can write it down as length of side of square into multiplied by number of sides, that is 4. So the perimeter of square equal to 4 times side. Now coming to the area of the square, let us consider that the length of side AB is 1 unit, the length of side BC is 1 unit, and length of side CD is 1 unit, length of side AD is 1 unit. Okay. Now, how we are going to calculate the area? Now, area will be, formula is length into breadth. Since the length of the side of a square is 1 unit and breadth of the square is 1 unit, 1 unit square will be the area of the square, or you can write it as 1 square unit. The side of the square is 4 centimeters. Find the area and perimeter of the square. So here the length of the side of the square is 4 centimeters. Now we have to calculate the area and the perimeter. Since we know area formula for the square, area equal to length into breadth, that equals to length is 4 centimeters. Since for square length is equal to breadth, breadth is also, we have to take it as 4 centimeters. It's equal to 16 centimeters square, or 16 square centimeters. This is the area of this square. Now let us calculate the perimeter of the square. Since we know that perimeter of the square equal to length of or sum of all the sides of a square, so that equal to 4 times side, that equal to 4 times length of side is 4 centimeters, that equal to 16 centimeters. Now to calculate the area or perimeter of this rectangle, let us take 1 unit square and try to find the number of squares in the rectangle. This rectangle consists of 8 unit squares. So 1 unit square has length and width 1 centimeter or 1 meter, 1 unit length and 1 unit breadth. Now this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and this is 1 unit. This makes the length of the square rectangle equals to 4 units. Let us find the breadth of this rectangle. This is 1 unit, as since this is a unit square, and there's one more square here, so this also becomes 1 unit. So breadth of the rectangle equals to 2 units. Now since we have already found out the length and breadth of the rectangle, we can find the area and perimeter for this rectangle. Area equals to length by breadth, and perimeter equal to length plus breadth twice 2. Since we already seen that perimeter equal to sum of the length of all the sides, so here for this rectangle A, B, C, D, let us divide the rectangle into squares. Okay, and each square means 1 centimeter breadth and 1 centimeter in length. So this consists of 3 squares. So this is again 1 centimeter, and this is also 1 centimeter. To calculate the perimeter or square of any other shape other than square, we have to divide into smaller squares so that the calculation will be easier. Now perimeter of a rectangle equal to length of side AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That means length of side AB is 3 centimeters. Length of side BC is 1 centimeter. Length of side CD is again 3 centimeters. Length of side DA equal to 1 centimeter. From A to B length, BC length, CD length and DA length we have to add to get the perimeter of rectangle. That equals to 6 plus 2, 8 centimeters will be the perimeter of the rectangle. To find the area of a rectangle, we already know the formula. Area equal to length multiplied by breadth. Since we already know that the length of the rectangle at side AB is equal to 3 centimeters multiplied by breadth 1 centimeter, that equals to 3 centimeter square or 3 square centimeters.